Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me. If you are new, my name is Dee Dee. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for your support and for watching today. I really do appreciate it. I thought I would just come on here and quickly share with you guys a small haul that I did when I did the mystery boxes from Colourpop. I wanted to share that with you guys in the last mystery box, but didn't have it with me. So I wanted to quickly just come on here and share with you. It's just a few things I got in the last chance sale that was 80%, up to 80% off. And so I just thought I would quickly come on and share those great things that I got with you guys. So if you want to see what I picked up in that sale, just keep watching. All right, guys, so this is pretty much what I picked up. It's all palettes. I did pick up two of these here that I'll show you, but I did already send one off. I did already put this aside for who I bought it for, so I didn't really feel I needed to show you guys this. But the first thing that I picked up is this Too Haute eyeshadow palette. It was on sale for $2.50. So like I said, I picked up two, one for myself and one for a gift. Definitely cannot beat that price for this palette. I think they retail for $10. It was a great deal. So let me get it out so I can show you. So this is what it looks like. It's just a bright pink palette. When these first came out, I wasn't super intrigued with them. I just felt like, it's nice, but it's not something I need in my collection. But for $2.50, definitely cannot go wrong. It's really pretty. It looks like it has a shimmer, a glitter, and 3 mattes. I'm thinking this is a glitter here in the middle. Let's see. Yeah, I think it is. It's going to go in my new palettes bin that I need to try here soon. This may be one that I try in my upcoming Colourpop video. I may use this in an upcoming video that I'm doing where I try most of all the products that I got in the mystery boxes I received, as much as I can. So this is going to go there for $2.50. Again, you cannot beat that. The next thing I got was a sandstone palette. Now this is an older palette to Colourpop, and it's just a really beautiful palette. This was a palette that I have always wanted from the time it came out. However, I kept telling myself I don't need it. There's a lot of, I have a lot of shades that are similar and all of that. But when it went on sale for $11 from $22 or something, I'll get the exact price. I just felt like that was a steal. Now, again, like I said, I'm sure I have plenty of these in this color story in my collection, but I just thought I've always wanted it, and it's just a beautiful neutrals palette. This is going to be so beautiful to use in the fall. With that coming up, I think it's the perfect time. And I had seen this video on this palette. I shared her channel with you guys before, and I can't remember the name at the moment. I apologize because my mind is kind of blank. But she did a video on this palette where she talked about underrated palettes. And she did a gorgeous, gorgeous look with this palette. I will find her channel, and I will also find the video to this and link it down below. That is pretty much what sold me on this palette. Because when you look at it, it just looks like a lot of neutral palettes. Very pretty nonetheless. But when she did a video, and it's an older video when this first came out, not super old, but she said it was underrated and not talked about a whole lot. I definitely felt like it needed to be talked about more because it is a really nice palette and really great quality as well, and that is what sold me. So I ended up picking this up. Again, it was on sale for $11, and I'll make sure to put the sale price I paid and then how much it is. And then this was on sale for $36, I believe. It's called On the Double. It's a palette dual vault, and it comes with 6 palettes. And it was, to me, in my opinion, a steal. Like I said, I think I paid $36 for all of these. So you get 6 palettes. And the first little thing is the Blushing Nude Palette Dual. It's super cute. I'm going to display these on my Alex drawer, my tall one, on the top because it has this little thing here like that. And then it's going to show that side, and then it will show the names of the palettes for when I grab them out right here. This is the Blushing Nude Palette Dual. It comes with the Nude, Mood, and Blush Crush. These were like the wedding themed ones. Look how gorgeous this little like display is. I mean, it's super, super cute. The shadows are very neutral, I will say, but nonetheless gorgeous. These were some that I was like, they're so beautiful, but do I actually need them? That has a little bit of mess up there, which happens. Their shadows are so soft and buttery that happens quite a bit, but that doesn't bother me. And then there's that one right there, just gorgeous, gorgeous. Again, I have a lot of these in my collection, but you cannot beat the price for 6 palettes. Again, $30 something and divided between the 6. The next one is called Cooler Than Me Palette Dual, and it comes with Making Mauves, which is such a gorgeous, gorgeous palette. It's like right at my alley. I cannot wait to use that palette. I love purples on my eyes and mauve shades like this. I absolutely love them. I just feel like they definitely accentuate my brown eyes. I love purples too, but mauve tones are like one of my absolute favorites. And then it came with That's Taupe. Such a cute like little display thing. I love that. So the Making Mauves, these are all 9 pan palettes. Look how gorgeous that is. Absolutely beautiful. You guys know that I love Colourpop, and I really do try to collect their palettes. And I have pretty much stopped buying like a lot of, I buy once in a while other brands, but I think I buy more so now nothing but Colourpop, if you can tell. This is such a just beautiful cool tone palette. Absolutely gorgeous. I love that. Cannot wait to play in all of these. That's what that one looks like. Super cute. That's gonna go like that. And then the last one is Into Bloom. And these were palettes that I was like, I don't need, but they're so cute. It comes with Big Poppy and Little Ray of Sunshine. My sister would love this palette. One of my sisters, she loves sunflowers, and she would absolutely, I remember when it first came out and I saw on her she lives in California, but I saw on her Instagram that she was displaying a lot of sunflower stuff, and I had messaged her, and this palette had just come out at that time. It's been a while, and I had messaged her and told her that they had a sunflower palette, and I don't know whether she ever picked it up or not. I never found that information out. So I had a little bit of trouble getting this one out, but that's okay. I got it. This one is the Big Poppy. It looks like those are all mattes. Very, very pretty. Who doesn't love an all matte palette? I know I do. And then this is Little Ray of Sunshine. Very pretty. I don't know how well these shades here are going to set on my skin because of how they look, but we are definitely going to give it a try. None of these came with a mirror, which is absolutely fine. I know some of their 9 pan palettes do have mirrors, but this one, I think they do. I want to say they do, like the ones in the plastic container, but these ones do not, which is not a problem. And then it's going to go right here like so. And then, like I said, it's going to be displayed on my Alex drawer just like that. Too cute, right? And then you just go and grab it. So again, I got those. They, like I said, I believe these were $36 altogether for the whole bundle, which is such a steal. And then this was $11. And then I picked up 2 of these at $2.50. I should have got more of these because I could have definitely put more of these in giveaways. And you know, I'm still contemplating on this one because I may not keep this. I may save this for you guys for the giveaway, just because it is a smaller palette. I don't seem to gravitate a whole lot to the smaller palettes. It's absolutely gorgeous. I know that I would love it, but I think that with all this that I do already have, I could probably, it won't hurt me to pass this one on and put it in the giveaway coming up. So stay tuned for that video. I'm going to be showing the products. Most of the products, I may show all of them. This is going to be a bigger giveaway for me. This is my 500 subscriber giveaway. So yeah, I think I'm going to save this one. I don't need it. I have gotten a lot of palettes here recently. So I think I'm going to give this one to one of you guys in the giveaway. And then I have these. So I'm still fine with that. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Definitely let me know if you were able to pick up something in this last chance haul sale. I know they still have it going on. There's an additional 25% right now. So whatever it's on sale, you get additional 25% on those items as well. So definitely check them out if you are interested in that and wanting to get some really discounted Colourpop items. I know they did have a new launch today as well, which is such a beautiful palette. It's on sale for $22.50, I believe, regular $39. But as bad as I want it, I think it's the one that I like the most out of all the large palettes. But as bad as I want it, I need to just hold off for now because I just have too much at the moment. So thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and hit the like button if you did enjoy this video. I thank each and every one of you guys. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And I hope that you guys have a great day. And I will see you guys soon. Bye, guys.